Lost in files? Let's fix that. Every case begins with files, and the way they're organized directly impacts how quickly important documents can be located. Disorganized files lead to delays, extra work, and unnecessary stress, while a well-structured system ensures a smooth workflow and helps cases progress efficiently. This video shows an easy method to organize litigation files for faster review, suitable for cases big or small. Let's begin. Here is a folder with various litigation documents, client materials, pleadings, discovery, and more. At this stage, the files are not sorted or named consistently. Finding a single document takes extra time, and reviewing the case is uncomfortable. The next step is to put these files into order. First, the files are divided into root categories. In this example, the folders created are client's documents, pleadings, discovery, motions, judicial forms. Each document, whether existing or new, is placed into the folder it belongs to. The client's documents folder contains everything produced before litigation begins. When the number of documents grows, subtabs such as communications or reports can be added. The pleadings folder holds documents that define claims, defenses, and legal arguments, complaints, cross-complaints, answers, demurrers, and related responses. To avoid losing track, only pleadings of primary importance are kept in this folder. Routine filings such as case management statements or other general forms are placed into the judicial forms folder. This prevents mixing them with central pleadings. All motion papers, such as a motion for summary judgment or a motion to compel, are stored together in the motions folder. The way motions are divided may vary, but the essential point is that each type is grouped in a logical way. The discovery folder contains all discovery requests, responses, meet and confer letters, and related documents. Inside, subtabs are created for plaintiff's discovery and defendant's discovery. If multiple defendants are involved, short names are used so that each document is linked to the correct party. Feeling tired? Let's take a quick break. Once folders are set up, the next important step is consistent document naming. Names typically show the parties involved, the type of document, the subject or set number, the date, when relevant, and the version status. Version labels are added to indicate whether a file is a draft, a final version that has been signed or served, or a conformed copy that has been accepted by the court. Here is an example using a meet and confer letter. The file name begins with the date, followed by the parties and subject. Discovery documents are often abbreviated for clarity. SPROGs for special interrogatories, FROGs for form interrogatories, RFA for requests for admission, RFP for requests for production. This keeps names short while still showing the most important details. With a clear folder system and consistent naming, litigation files become easier to review, faster to navigate, and less stressful to work with. This method applies to cases of any size and helps maintain order throughout the litigation process. Did you know lawyers spend up to 22% of their time just searching for documents? According to Katie Bujna, product marketing manager at OpenText, lawyers can spend up to 22% of their work hours searching for documents scattered across multiple internal systems and storage locations. Let's summarize. Unorganized files waste time and slow down litigation work. They cause stress and make reviewing cases tiring. Organized files boost productivity, speed up document review, and reduce frustration. Do this consistently, and handling your cases becomes smoother and more efficient.